You might want to mark your email as read or unread for a certain number of reasons. So when you get into your inbox and you see that the email is in bold like this, it means that it hasn't been read. So if you have read it, you simply open it and go back to the inbox. It is no longer bold here on the subject line. So if you want to put this back to an unread state, all you have to do is to come here and then click this little icon and it will be marked as unread. A second way that you can make this email appear as unread is when you open it and then you go to the three dots there at the top. And if you just move down a bit, just below delete there, it says mark as unread. And once you click this, it will be marked as unread. So that's how you do that process.